Hello, how are we doing today? I hope we are doing good. So this will be for Tuesday, April 21st. I know I'm in the same clothes I was yesterday. We recorded these on the same day this weekend so that I would have more time just to be helping you guys through the week if you need it. So today we're going to talk about adding fractions. We're going to take some baby steps into doing these. So just work with me here. So there are 3 things to do to add fractions. First thing you want to do is make sure that the denominators are the same. All right. If they're not the same, then we have to manipulate the fractions before we can add them together. That will be further down the road. Right now, all of our denominators will be the same. But there will get to a point where they're not, and we have to mess around with them to make them look the same. All right, so for now, step 1, you don't even have to worry about. What you do then is for step 2, add the numerators. And then 3, take whatever that sum is, put it over the original denominator. So we don't add the denominators don't change in this case. You just add the numerators. So let's look at some examples and see what I'm talking about. You'll find that they may not be as scary at this point yet that you may have thought they would be. And if you still think that they're scary after doing this with me, that's okay. Okay, fractions are hard, number 1. There are still grown people who I know who are teachers, who are professionals in other careers that still can't do fractions. So you learning it for the first time, it's okay to think that they're hard. It's okay to think that they're scary. It's okay to get them wrong, okay? We're gonna work through it, and then you'll be the one teaching all of those other people how to do fractions and think about how cool that'll be. Okay, so we're going to do this by example. So the first one I have here is 1/7 plus 2/7. So our answer will always still be a fraction, okay? Now, I kind of work backwards on fractions. I always look and I'm like, oh, well, the denominator is 7 on both of them. Great. So the denominator on my answer is also going to be 7. Boom, just put it over there. You are halfway done. Good job. Now, we're going to add the numerators. So these right here, 1 and 2, we're going to add those together. 1 plus 2 is 3. So our answer, we're going to put this over here. The answer is 3/7. Okay? What do you think? If you're freaking out, take a break, come back for the next 2. It's okay. If you're like, hey, that made a little sense, but I don't think I quite got it yet, stick around, let's do some more. Okay, say I do this one. Say I give you 5/10 plus 4/10. Okay, if you like my method where you're like, hey, look, they're both 10, perfect. Guess what? The denominator in my answer is also gonna be 10. Okay, you don't gotta be weird about it like I am. I'm just weird. I like math. I know I'm one of not many, okay? Second step, let's add up, or I guess it's kind of our only second step because we've eliminated the other ones. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. So over here, we're gonna write 9. And now we have added our fractions together again. And our answer is 9/10. Okay, you're doing really good so far. Proud of you. Like I said, I know fractions are hard. They're scary. Everybody has like this really bad thoughts about them. Like they're like super bad vibes. They're not that bad. You just got to understand them. They're misunderstood. All right, let's do another one. What if I give you 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3? Okay. Our denominators are the same, so I'm going to go ahead and put this 3 over here. Now we can add our numerators. So 2 plus 2 would equal 4. Go over here, like that. So our answer would be 4 over 3. Now you're probably like, that doesn't look like right, Andrea. How can I have more pieces than I have a whole? That's okay. So you're adding 2 pieces of 2 wholes all together. So it's okay to get more than the bottom number, okay? There might be a time where we simplify this down. We're not there yet. We'll get there eventually. Don't rush yourself. Don't hold yourself to a higher standard when it comes to math and when it comes to fractions. We'll get there, okay? So let's do one more example. Don't forget, all these notes so far are right below here. You can open them up, look through them as you need. I'm gonna do this one really slow. So I want you to try and figure this out before I get the answer and see if you get it right, okay? I have 3 over 15 plus 7 over 15. I want to know, what does it equal? Okay, so I'm going to hold back for a second, try and get the answer real quick, and then I'm going to go through it. Draw a little picture. There's my pretty little flower and some vines. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and work through this answer, and I'm going to log off for the day. So you should have looked at this and said, well, the denominators are the same. So that means I can go ahead and plop the denominator again right over here. They're the same. The numerators, I'm going to add those together. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. So therefore my answer over here would be 10. My total answer as a fraction would be 10 over 15. If you got that, good job. Seriously. I think you're probably ready to try the problems next to this video. But don't worry if you're struggling. Take a deep breath, take a break, shoot me an email, send me a text. We'll get it figured out, okay? You're not in this alone. Have a good day.